Coming to the let's do portion on page number 46, the first paragraph, we have to choose the correct article for the given paragraph. There are a few boys standing outside the principal office. Here, few starts with consonant, so we have used a. In principal office, we are talking about a particular person, principal. So that's why we are using the article the. The boys were sent by the class teacher. Here we are talking about the boys because they are in plural form. So we are using the. To the principal. Here also we are talking about any particular person, the principal, in the first period. That's why we are using article the. The boys had used a bad word means one bad word, so we are using a. In the assembly time, the particular time is mentioned, assembly time, so we are using the. A teacher had heard it and complained about that to the class teacher. There was an argument. Why? Because argument starts with the vowel sound a. Among the boys who blamed one another, the principal said that as an exemplary punishment. We are using an here because you can see that exemplary is starting with the vowel sound. The boys will not talk to anyone for 1 hour during school time. It is the first paragraph. Now coming to the second one. A father and son rode on a donkey to the village, because here we are having the singular form of nouns. Father and donkey. A father, a donkey. They found that the donkey was a useful animal. We are using the with donkey because whenever a word repeats itself, we use article the. Now coming to the second paragraph on page number 47. I ate an apple and an orange. The apple has iron and the orange has vitamins. We are using an with apple and orange because they are producing vowel sounds. And for the second times, you can see that apple and orange, both the words are repeating themselves. So we are using the article the here. I read a difficult book. It is in singular form, so we are using article a. The last chapter of book was so difficult that I had to take my mother's help to read it. We are talking about a particular chapter, the last chapter. That's why we are using article the. One day, a hunter met the king of his town. Hunter is in singular form, so we are using article a. Now, the king asked the hunter why he was there. And now here you can see that we are talking about a particular person, the king. So we are using the article the. Coming to the last question on page number 47. In question number 3, we have to rewrite the following sentences by using the articles where needed. An old man was sitting under a tree. An old man was sitting under a tree. Old man is starting with the vowel sound, so we are using an, and tree is a noun and it is in singular form, so we are using article a before tree. Bharatnatyam is classical dance form from Tamil Nadu. You can see that Bharatnatyam, it is the particular dance form, so we are using the article the. The Bharatnatyam is a classical dance form from Tamil Nadu. Red Fort was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Red Fort was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Also Red Fort and Mughal Emperor. When Mughal Emperor, we are talking about a particular person, Mughal Emperor. So we are using article the before the monument Red Fort and Mughal Emperor. Lakshadweep Islands are situated in Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in Bay of Bengal. You can see that the words Lakshadweep Islands, Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Bay of Bengal. All these words In all these words, we are talking about any particular place. So we are using the article the. We read for an hour and write and practice for 2 hours every day. Hour, because it is producing the vowel sound. So we are using an before hour. I had an egg, a sandwich, an orange, and some milk this morning. We are using an before egg because it is producing vowel sound. Sandwich is in singular form and also it is producing consonant sound. Again, orange is producing the vowel sound. So we are using an before orange and egg, and we are using a for sandwich, and the sentence becomes I had an egg, a sandwich, an orange, and some milk this morning. So thank you students. With this part we are done with chapter number 1, articles, and this chapter is from workbook section. Thank you.